year, our tech support provides assistance with more than 2,000 PIR-related questions. Many of them are from users that need to know how ChildPlus is calculating a particular question. We want you to be happy with our product, so please continue to reach out to us if you need us. But we would also like to show you some resources that may help to provide a better understanding of which fields impact your PIR calculations, how ChildPlus calculates values for the different questions, and which reports can be used to monitor information captured for each question. My name is Amy Corkery, and this is Belicia Carter. We have with us today one of our training consultants, Aaron Dickerson. Welcome, Aaron.
Thank you.
Aaron, thanks for joining us today. Where can users find all of these helpful resources?
Believe it or not, there is a link to each resource right in your PIR setup. So let's take a look. We're going to click on Management and then the PIR. Open the PIR you're currently working on, and in the upper right-hand corner, there you will see the words PIR Resources. Click to open the menu. This menu contains a link to multiple resources such as FAQs, general help, and there's even a guide designed to explain ChildPlus calculations for the PIR. The list is in alphabetical order, but let's review items that discuss broader topics and then look at the ones that are specific to that question.
Before diving into ChildPlus calculations, we recommend you click on the official PIR link. It will take you directly to the Early Childhood Learning and Knowledge Center, where you can find the latest version of the official PIR questionnaire. With so many changes rolling out over the next couple of years, you want to make sure you're familiar with the questions and instructions provided by the Office of Head Start. This will help you develop proper data entry procedures.
That's a great idea. After reviewing the official PIR questionnaire, return to ChildPlus and tour our ChildPlus help page. Clicking the FAQ link will take you directly to the help page containing frequently asked questions that are directly related to the PIR. If you click the PIR General Help link, it will take you to our help page with general information and more links to the specific PIR topics.
With the official questionnaire in hand and some tips from ChildPlus Help, you're ready to set up and calculate your PIR. If you begin to question the calculations, refer to the ChildPlus Calculation Guide.
That's one of my favorite tools. It will list for you every single PIR question by the letter and number. The second column provides a brief description of the actual question, and then we tell you the ChildPlus module that contains the field or fields used to calculate that question. Details for explaining how the data is used and if special settings are considered is listed in the next column. To make sure you know what data is being reported for your agency, we also include the PIR audit report that can be used for monitoring that specific question.
Once you're ready to submit your PIR, there are links that provide instructions for printing and even exporting your PIR. Having all of those resources in one place is really helpful, but there are multiple ways to access the calculation guide and even a quicker way to locate the correct PIR report.
Oh, that's right. All throughout the database, we identify fields used for the PIR with a red PIR indicator. Clicking on that indicator will also take you to our ChildPlus Help page, which will provide more information about how that field is used. If you go back to the Management and then PIR, there are links all through the different PIR sections that take you to the calculation guide, along with links that open up the appropriate PIR audit reports.
Monitor your PIR data all year long using these resources to guide you, and if you still get stuck, we're here to help. Aaron, thanks so much for joining us today. Be on the lookout for our next CP Smart video.